Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how you can get a vignette for driving on Austrian roads in just 10 seconds. All you need is your license plate number. To do this, you need to go to the roadtax.eu platform. The website is displayed on the screen and you can see it's also written here, roadtax.eu. I should mention that this tutorial works both on your phone and on your computer. After you access the roadtax.eu platform, you need to click on See More and then on Austrian Vignette, because when you first enter it will take you to the Bulgarian Vignette page. Alright, after you've selected Austrian Vignette, all you need to do is scroll down a bit, select the type of vehicle, which, in most cases, is a car with a maximum weight of 3,500 kilograms. Then choose the period, with the most common being 10 days, and click Continue. Here you need to fill in the car's details, such as the country where it was registered, the license plate number, the start date, and below that you will enter your contact information. You will pay, and within a maximum of 30 minutes you will receive the vignette on your personal email. Thank you, and please click the subscribe button.